Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, hello viewers. In this podcast, I have invited some of my friends from the one of my friend from RPL class in ITN Body School Solo. Before we do podcast, I will introduce myself first. My name is Hama Mubarak from 11 RPL in ITN Body School Solo, and my friend that will become speaker in this podcast. His name is Zikal Isa Fadli, also from 11 RPL, and he will bring material about dream. Before that, are you ready for do this podcast, Zikal?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, without any further ago, we start to first question. What is your dream job in the future?
My job, my dream in my future is about become animator. It's done.
What animator is it? Do you want to develop animator with anim or 3D model or just 2D?
Maybe I will develop the animator become 3D model like you can see like Bobo Boy movie or maybe something like Agent Ali and other. It's like that.
Okay, why do you want that job? Why you choose that job?
So why I choose this job because as you know I like drawing, I like to make something 3D model or maybe I want to make some 3D model because I like it because I'm from child I was love some 3D model that I like until now.
Oh, so you have prepare yourself from you was it to be animator in the future. Okay, who inspired you to have that dream?
So who is the inspired me to get this dream? So the inspired one is from my brother because I want to little story. So first, when I child, me and my brother always draw together, and then watching some movie like Bobo Boy movie, or maybe something like Bobo Boy like Agent Ali, and then from that I get the inspiration for uh, forget this dream. Yes, thank you.
When did you start dreaming about it?
So I start dreaming this job or this dream is from maybe from um, junior high school in seventh grade because in seventh grade I see the other animator like maybe Monster or maybe something like that is very cool and I really like that. So because of that, I have start my dreaming from seventh grade student.
Okay, what skill do you need to achieve your dream? Of course, if you want to be animator, you cannot don't have any preparation. By the way, have you uh, train your skill in what application like application for editing or modeling 3D?
Okay, so for maybe for digital things, I haven't learned it because uh, the step one for the skill that I must to reach is maybe for manual design Maybe you can try to draw in manual or in paper, and then you must to know how to make the posture, the pose of our body and the other things, and then you must to know how to uh, the frame to get the animation, and then you must to try try the manual design first until you get the expert one in the manual design with the paper. And if you have expert, I will try to change to digital design, maybe so like maybe for editing, or maybe make 3D model in Blender, and then try how to make the Blender is move, and then play something like maybe Fever. It can make like animation, but it's 2D. So thank you.
So because you don't have many time for prepare it with device, you train your skill in the paper first. Okay. What will you do to achieve your dream? Have you planned it carefully, or are you have make a big plan to achieve your dream?
Can you repeat it?
What will you do to achieve your dream? Your plan.
Who win minute? Okay. So how to?
What will you do to achieve your dream?
Oh, what will I do to achieve my dream? Yes, like as I say before, as you know, I want to try manual design with the paper, and then maybe I must to make some target from a day, maybe from one day. Yes, maybe one day 100 image, 100 draw, or maybe one day to animation 3D model, like that. And yes, maybe that all.
Next question. Do your parents support your dream to become animator?
Okay, so do my parents support me to achieve my dream? So actually, my parents always support me what I do, and my parents will pray to me, and then ask to God, to Allah, to achieve my dream. Yes, because my parents like really like animation too, like me and my brother too.
Okay. Based on your analysis about about everyone who become animator, what is the biggest challenge to your dream?
Okay, so my biggest challenge that I achieve my dream is maybe for device, because I don't have many device that supported to make some 3D model, or maybe rendering some 3D model that a good yes, that good graphic, and many other. Because yes, as you know, I don't have money in my pocket, so I can't buy my device to achieve my dream.
Okay, with the device you cannot implement your skill drawing to drawing in digital, maybe in tab. And do you think your dream is difficult or easy, and why?
Maybe my dream is medium, because as you know, when I child, I was learn how to draw, and I was learn how to make some 3D model, but it's little, and yes, it's medium.
Okay. And if your dream come true, what will you do first?
Okay, so if my dream come true, I will say thanks to Allah because have answer my pray, and I want to ask thank you for my parents that support me until now, and I will bring my project or maybe my draw to abroad because I want to tell many people to know my draw. Yes.
S- by the way, have you create any animation or uh, uh, amazing design in your experience?
Okay, so I have a little story here. So the first one is when I child, my brother always push me to make some drawing in paper around 5 a day. So I make a manual design 5 paper in a day. So until I get now IDN school. So when I did in school, I have stopped to make some draw, 5 draw paper in a day. But after that, when I junior high school, my brother pushed me to make some digital drawing. Like maybe last time I have make like a Mobile Legend character. I make and then I remake the armor, and then I make that around 3 in a day. So I make the digital design in a day is 3, and then if for animation maybe I haven't tried the 3D animation, but I have tried 2D animation. But it's just for make like a people and then like people are drinking like that.
Okay, uh, you were you was prepare still prepare your skill from you were a child until now, and maybe that's all from our podcast. Conclusion from me: become podcast, become animator is become animator is easy if you have your skill to be animator, and uh, as you still train your skill in drawing and imagine, you will easy to achieve your dream become animator. And I want to ask a conclusion from you.
Okay, so my conclusion is you must to reach your dream, whatever the dream, and then you must to show to your parents because your parents always support you, and you must to support your parents too. And maybe if you want to become animator like me, you must to maybe for training you can draw in manual design, and then after that jump to digital design, and then after that if you have expert that two material, you can do maybe like uh, knowing how to make 3D model and animation.
Okay, maybe that's all from our podcast. Thank you, viewer, for your listening and watching. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.